And the Edith choices. The winner for Best Actress is Miss Marisra Khan.
Iba pala yung feeling. Whew. I would like to first acknowledge all the amazing actresses in this category. Miss Maylene Dizon, Ma'am Charo Santos, Cristel Go, so precious, Barbie Forteza, Ma'am Charo Santos, at Ate Angelica Panganiban. It's such an honor to be nominated alongside all of you. Maraming salamat, Eddies, for this. When I read the script, Sunshine, during the pandemic, I knew right away that it's gonna be a big responsibility. Talking about abortion in this country is not gonna be easy. But all of my fears and doubts faded away kasi alam ko marami akong kakampi. At marami akong kasama sa pagkwento ng storya nito. This award is for Direk Donetta Daune. Thank you so much for creating this really beautiful story, for inspiring so many Filipinas, young women, and for believing in me that I could be sunshine. Maraming salamat, Project 8. You guys are so precious to me, Ate Rain, Ate Angel, thank you. Thank you sa cast and crew, my baby girl, Anika ko. Thank you sa aking gymnastics coach. 1 year with you, Ms. Dana Savio, and my acting coach, Sir Jay Cruz. Maraming salamat. Wala ako dito kung wala kayong lahat. Sunshine is a girl who had so much promise, who had big dreams, who had such a bright future ahead of her. Pero nadapa, nagkamali. This feels so familiar to me. And I know this feeling of almost losing everything. Matatanong mo sa sarili mo kung ititigil mo na lang ba, kung burado na ba yung sarili mo. Pero hindi. Sa storya ni Sunshine, pinili niya mabuhay ang mga pangarap niya. This award is for all of the sunshine in this world. Sa lahat ng mga kababaihan at sa karapatan nating piliin ang mga sarili nating katawan. Sa lahat ng mga nadapa, bangon lang. Kung maingay man, drown out the noise and remember who you are. Thank you so much.
Please welcome Bar Boys After School cast member Firis Malvar and actor Richard Kwan.
Directing is the art of vision. It is the ability to transform